Wanna post a status on WhatsApp but don't want a certain contacts to see it? Watch this video till the end and I will show you exactly how to update your blocked status viewer list to protect your privacy more effectively. So let's get started. So firstly, open WhatsApp. Launch the app on your device and afterwards go to the status bar named Updates and afterwards tap on this small plus icon and create your status. For example, I will select this dog and simply click this send icon to post it. So afterwards, let's open the settings, go to the chats tab and tap on the small three dots menu. And if you are using the iPhone, just simply click on the gear icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. But anyways, click on this small three dot menu and tap the settings. Afterwards, click on the privacy and here open the status. Afterwards, adjust your status privacy in this section. Select the My Contacts Except feature and afterwards here in the Excluded tab from the list, choose the contacts you want to hide your status from. After you have chosen them, tap the small icon to confirm, and now your status updates will be hidden from the selected contacts. And that's pretty much it. And as a bonus tip, if you ever want to update this list, just return to the same settings and make any changes you need. You can adjust it as many times as necessary. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That motivates me to keep making more helpful videos. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.